Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove debit or credit card from your Google Play Store. So for this, of course, you have to open your Play Store application in your mobile. Then simply tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. And from here, you have to tap on this payment and subscriptions. Now, when you are here, you have to tap on this payment methods, the first option. And now let's say you have a card here and you want to delete this card or remove this card. You have to tap on it. So you have to simply tap on this more payment settings, and now you will get a new window on your Google Chrome. So you will get all the details here, like which card you have added on the Play Store. Now let's say you want to simply remove it. As you can see this button, tap on this remove. Now it will load up, and now you have to confirm, tap on this remove again, and your card will be removed from the Play Store and you are good to go. So if you now open up payment methods, you will see your card is removed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.